Thanks for watching today's GrillVille recipe. Today we're going to be doing a sous vide style chicken breast. This one is fairly simple, so what we're going to do is put the ingredients up on the screen. You can go ahead and pause to jot it down or just follow along. To start off, let's put the 2 pounds of chicken breast in the bag along with all of the spices listed in the ingredients. After that, let's add your 2 teaspoons of salt followed by 1.5 teaspoons of crushed pepper. And finally, let's add 1/8 cup of olive oil. Before we get cooking, let's take time to decompress all the air from the plastic bag. Then vigorously massage your ingredients. If the bag breaks or is punctured during this process, go ahead and replace it with a new one. Now with the help of our GrillVille Easy device, we've ensured that the water is heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to place your ingredients in the water. Try to make sure that all of the ingredients are completely submerged. To help do this, feel free to add a glass bowl on top of the plastic bag to keep it weighed down. After 90 minutes, we're finally ready to remove the bag from the water. At this point, you can remove the chicken from the bag and dispose of the remaining ingredients. At this point, you should run the chicken breast under cool water to clean off any of the remaining spices. At this point, you want to coat a pan in vegetable oil and turn on the stove. It's time to get this pan ripping hot. Now let's place the chicken breast in the pan until we get a nice brown caramelization on the outside of the chicken. You want to make sure your chicken is completely cooked. To do so, we have the GrillVille Easy temperature probe. Chicken is fully cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For more great recipes, download our GrillVille app on iOS or Android, or visit us at www.grillville.us.